Hello everyone, welcome to AS High Yielding Prelims 2020 series, and today's topic would be Environment C40 World Mayors Summit. We often talk about a local government that is efficient to handle even global level issues. That is the aspiration of the most local form of governments. If you take a look at the cities of the globe, nearly 30% of the population on the earth entirely resides on cities. So it is imperative for cities to come together on a common platform to deal with the problem of climate change. So in order to handle this particular situation, we have had the World Mayors Summit. So what exactly is this and why are we talking about this news item? So last year in October 2019, from 9th to 12th October, Copenhagen hosted this World Mayors Summit. So why Copenhagen? Generally, the history goes something like this. Each of the summit is held in a place where that particular city showcases its best practices in dealing with the climate change and sustainable living. So Copenhagen was chosen this time as the role model, and it effectively displayed successful climate solutions that the city had to offer. That is why it is conducted in Copenhagen. So what are the different sustainable development goals? If you take a look at the goal number 17, it talks about partnership for the goals. So cities are centers where we see a lot of population that floats in and out. So in this kind of scenario, the sustainable goal number 11, sustainable cities and communities, and at the same time responsible consumption and production, becomes equally important for SDG goal number 13, that is climate action. To put it in simple words, the idea of smart cities that we are witnessing in our present urban development context has to consider all these aspects of SDG 11, SDG 12, 13 and 17. So if you take a look at the origin of this C40 initiative, it actually began in 2005 when the London mayor has proposed this idea. Later on, the next year, 40 members added. So that is how it got its name, C40. But later on, more and more number of members added to this organization, and today we have 96 members in this organization. So what is the agenda of this particular group? They want to create a platform wherein they discuss solutions that ensure the sustainable future for urban citizens worldwide. So this talks about empowering local governments, especially city level governments. For example, we have Mumbai, which is one of the richest municipalities or urban corporations in Asia. Yet when you have a flood, we have a situation where it almost becomes unsustainable to live in the city. So keeping in mind these kind of challenges, C40 is trying to address these issues. So it is committed to deliver climate targets that are set under the 2016 Paris Agreement. It has offices in New York, USA and London. So these are some of the trivial points that you have to remember with respect to C40 initiative. There are some more points. So this is not the first time this Mayor Summit is happening. It happened way before as well, and there are 6 Mayor Summits that happened from 2005 itself. So there is no particular pattern. It does not happen once in 2 years, once in 3 years. There is no particular pattern. So you have to remember that point. One more point that you have to remember here is, not always the city which hosts the event will be presiding over that particular meeting. So you have to remember this. So at the 2019 summit, it is the mayor of Los Angeles who has taken over the chairman post for this particular group. Did India participate in this event? Yes, India did participate in this event. So all this trivia can be used as UPSC preliminary level questions. That is why it becomes very important for you to know them. So what are the cities that participated in this event? Delhi, Bangalore, Chennai and Kolkata. You have to note that there is no Noida, there is no Pune, Hyderabad is also missing, Mumbai is also missing from this event. So you have to remember these points: Delhi, Bangalore, Chennai and Kolkata. Let us try to attempt a question. Consider the following statements regarding C40 Mayor Summit. It is a global level body that convenes with its 40 members to deal with climate change. It is not 40 members. At the time of initiation of this group, we had 40 members. Right now, we have more than 40 members, that is 96. We have already dealt this point in the initial slides. The second one is no Indian city has attended C40 Mayors Summit till now. This is a false statement. So, none of the statement is right. Now, I want you guys to attempt this question and comment the answer in the comment section below. Also, please try to give an explanation as well. Which of the following is not a sustainable development goal? Have a look at the options and comment your answer. That's it for this video. Thank you.